Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PIRS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up above this previous breakout point at 575. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 575, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there I'm defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 575 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going into next week? Initial area is just simply where the party finally stopped this afternoon, and that was right up there at $5.88. If the price can push up through $5.88, and then as you see here, we're having to squeeze down the chart quite a bit. So that's a good problem to have, though, when you have to go this far back in the chart's history. But after $5.88, next key overarching level to keep an eye on would be right up there at essentially 605-ish, give or take a few pennies. But what really matters the most is not resistance levels. What matters is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here. Over time, as long as the price continues to build those higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue in the upwards direction, then everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations and building higher bases, and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.